Hello everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Zia Maliki, and in today's video I have an app which is called, it's actually a game, it's called Lucky Water Sort. It's kind of like, color game. It allows you to watch ads, and then in return you will get paid. For each ads you watch, it pays you like 1 cent. I mean, if you watch like 100 ads, it will pay you $1. Actually, each ad is like, probably from 10 seconds to 20 seconds. I have tried this app for the last 3 days. Actually, in 3 days I was able to make around $5. However, it has not really affect my working. I'll just play for probably half an hour, sometimes like 1 hour, or sometimes when I'm on the bus or on the tube, I just give it a try, and then I keep watching these ads, and this is how I made a $5 so far. As you can see in here, I click on the claim, and then they show me this ad which is 10 seconds, and then you can see the X mark on the top. I click on that, and then in here you will see that credit is actually added to my balance. So if I want it again, I can click claim again and keep watching ads one after another, or I can just say no thanks and continue with the game. But one thing I would like to mention to you is that I live in the UK, so I'm not sure if this game is gonna work in the country where you live. Maybe not, or maybe for some of you may not be able to even find this game. Actually, I'm using an iPhone, so it works on the iPhone. I did check on the Android to find this game, but I was not able to find it on the Android. It only works on the iPhone, I guess, but I'm not sure. You can give it a try if you are in the UK or any other European countries, or if you are in America. The app is actually called Lucky Water Sort. This is like a game you can play, but while you are playing a game, it will pop up an ad, just see like that, and then you can click on claim, and you will be able to see an ad, and then in return you will get some money. And then once you have enough money, you can actually send it to your PayPal. I will also show you a payment proof from this game that it actually pays. I have been paid a couple of times. So let's go ahead and see how we can withdraw this. On the top right hand side, there is a button called withdraw. I have already set up my PayPal in here, and I have given my account details. So as you can see, my balance is $5, and then here you can see different amounts that you can actually send. I click on the $5, and then here are my details. I have already given my PayPal account, which is ziamaliki1@gmail.com. I just need to click on the confirm button, okay? And it will literally take a few seconds for the money to arrive into my PayPal account. It's very, very quick. It does say it will take a day or two, but it is very easy. So I click on the confirm, and then I have to watch another ad yet again. Let's close this ad, and then here withdrawal payment. So here is the details. Literally in a few seconds you will see a pop-up. Here we go. PayPal, you received 4.5 USD from Octopus Interactive Technology Limited. So here we go. So let me click on that, and then I will show you my PayPal account where this transaction that I have received. So, and then here we go. As you can see, from Octopus Interactive Technology Limited, I received 4.5. In here I also received an email saying that you received $4.5 into your account. So let me come down here, and then the first one you can see $4.5 which I received into my account. If you really work hard on it, you can easily make $5 to $10 every single day. I hope that you will be able to find this game on your phone as well? Let me know if you do, or which country you are actually connecting from, and if you are able to download this game inside your country. Please give this a thumbs up, which really helps my channel grow up, and I'll see you next time.